Have you ever sat in front of an executive at your organization and just thought to yourself, what are they thinking? What are they thinking right now? I've seen a lot of executives come in and say that we're going to start fresh, we're going to wipe everything out, or here are my ideas without first listening. One of the biggest mistakes I see is an executive walking in and not thinking first about all the work that's taken place in order to get there and how smart the people are who are already there, right? And what have they gone through? And what challenges have they experienced in order to shape what's to come? That context is everything in terms of transformation. So often the projects will fail because they don't have that understanding of what's happened initially. What they were looking at is, and this is someone who's an executive I spoke to who worked directly with American Apparel on their data, but they were looking at what physical location in the store was going to move product more quickly, right? And so they were doing that, but then they realized that the products that sold most quickly were the ones that went to the fitting room, and there was a correlation to fit. Transformation by definition will change how your organization does work, will change that client experience. I've seen projects spin for more than a year just because an executive might be feeling like they've stated the problem. Here's the problem, this is what I'm trying to achieve. Sometimes what's not there, what am I not saying? And the team's saying they've changed their mind like multiple times. Have you ever felt that way? Like they've changed their mind? The pace of demand. So as things continue to change and evolve rapidly, it's very easy to feel behind all the time. So almost every CEO's nightmare is finding out that we've done a big project or built something large or built whatever it is, and then in 5 years it'll be obsolete or it won't work anymore, it won't meet the regulatory needs that are coming down the pipe.
We didn't perceive the challenges with our senior population. Many of them thought they were spam messages. Some of our senior patients had their senior homes phone numbers on our files, and so they weren't even getting those messages. With digital transformation, there is risk and there is a chance that you might not be able to cater to all your patient populations.
I've walked into organizations where it just feels like quicksand all the time. I always walk into a meeting and I say, okay, pretend I don't know anything. But they won't always feel comfortable doing that. So I think having an initial conversation and just always doing those check-ins, like you just did, checking in to see, is this all making sense to you?